Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha and in this today video I'll be showing you how to make a Punjabi chicken curry. Punjabi chicken curry is basically made with roasted onion paste, tomato puree and few dry spices, giving it a rich gravy cum spiciness and taste absolutely delicious. So do check out this video, like and subscribe to Anagha recipes in case if you like this video. Let's watch how to make this Punjabi chicken curry. Punjabi chicken curry, first we need to marinate the chicken, add salt, red chili powder, turmeric, add 2 spoons of yogurt. This a mix. Rest this for 30 minutes. For masala, add oil to the kadai and add 2 sliced onions. Add garam masala. Once the onion turns slightly golden, add the ginger garlic paste. Now switch off the flame. Cool this mixture and blend this into a smooth paste. Add little water and blend this into a very smooth paste. So here the paste is ready. Add oil to the kadai. To this add the paste. Once the oil starts to separate, add tomato puree. Cook this until the oil separates. Once the oil starts to separate, add red chili powder, add coriander powder, now add the marinated chicken. Add a cup of water. Add a spoon of chicken masala. Let this cook completely. So this is done and now we shall serve this.